Hi and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get NordVPN for free. As you probably know, NordVPN is a VPN that requires a paid subscription, but it's possible to try it for free for no less than 30 days. I'll explain everything in this video. Important points: everything I'll show you in this video is completely legal. With this method, you can get NordVPN for free in a completely legal way. Before I explain how to get NordVPN for free, I invite you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notifications if you enjoy this type of content. It will mean a lot to me and will help me create even more useful content. So, my method to get NordVPN for free is very simple. It involves using the 30-day money-back guarantee. NordVPN indeed offers a 30-day trial in the form of a money-back guarantee. This means you can sign up, use NordVPN for several weeks, on up to 10 devices, and then request a refund. In the end, you won't have paid anything. 30 days, that's more than enough to know if this VPN meets your needs. To do this, you will need a payment method, but don't worry, you will be fully refunded if you request the refund within 30 days of your sign up. Just sign up for NordVPN, download the software, and then install it. You'll be charged, but thanks to the money back guarantee, you'll get your money back in full if you request a refund before the end of the 30 days. If you decide not to keep your subscription, you just need to contact NordVPN's customer service to request a refund. It's that simple. If you're happy with the service, you can of course choose to keep your subscription and continue using NordVPN. That's the idea behind this money-back guarantee. NordVPN wants you to try the service risk-free to convince you of its quality and performance. By offering this guarantee, NordVPN hopes that you will enjoy the experience enough to become a loyal user. In any case, I invite you to use this link, vpn-club.com/nord, to take advantage of the best current offer on NordVPN, which currently includes 3 months free. Use the promo code VCLUB to get an extra month free. Note that there is another method to get NordVPN for free. The idea is to use their referral program. While it's not exactly a free trial, it's a great way to access the service for free. To do this, you first need to create an account with NordVPN. Then you share your referral link with your friends. When a friend signs up, using your link, you receive 3 months free. Your friends will also receive a reward, 3 extra months free if they choose a 1 or 2 year subscription, or 1 free month if they opt for the monthly subscription. The advantage: you can repeat this process as many times as you want, accumulating 3 months with each referral. If you have a lot of friends to refer, this method can be especially beneficial. Now that you know how to get NordVPN for free, let's see why it remains a top choice in 2025 in a market filled with VPN providers. First of all, NordVPN excels in security and privacy. It uses advanced encryption and an adaptable protocol compatible with less powerful devices like some routers or old phones. NordVPN has undergone several independent audits which confirm the reliability of its privacy protection commitments. NordVPN is one of the most feature-rich VPNs. It's a well-designed and very reliable service. It offers standard features like the kill switch, but also stands out with its double VPN, onion over VPN, and obfuscated servers features. During my tests, I had no issues accessing major streaming platforms. For downloading, NordVPN proves to be an excellent choice. It supports peer-to-peer connections on all servers designed for that purpose, offers good speeds, and includes advanced security features to protect your online activities. During my test, the performance was satisfactory with stable and reliable speeds. For web browsing, its threat protection feature adds an extra layer of security by blocking malicious ads, trackers, and other threats. I'll give you a quick demo. Here is the interface. You can quickly connect to a VPN server from this list of locations or from this map. Let's try. As you can see here, my IP address ends in 134. It locates me in Marseille, France. I choose a location, the US for example. I click here. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. And now I'm virtually connected to the internet from the US. I refresh this page. And now I have a new IP address, which locates me in the US. It's different from the one I had before. So NordVPN has created a secure tunnel between my device and a remote server, and successfully hidden my real IP address. My new IP address makes it appear I'm like in the US, even though I'm actually in France. So let's say I want to access a service that's only available in the US. I can now do that. Any website I visit or app I use will think I'm in the United States because I have a US IP address. I've shown you how to connect to a server on the Windows app, but the principle is exactly the same on the macOS, Android, and iOS apps. That's all for today. I hope you liked this video. You now know how to get NordVPN for free. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below, and I'll reply as soon as possible. If you liked this video and found it useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notifications. Thanks and see you next time.